Did you know it's better to pay monthly for your car servicing? Spreading the cost with affordable, interest-free monthly payments is one benefit of having a service plan, but why not check out all the other benefits as well? Lock in today's prices for the duration of the service plan, with fixed payments, just like your energy bills and your mortgage repayments. Let's also look at why it's so important to keep your vehicle serviced. You and your family's safety is crucial. Regular servicing will give you peace of mind, and an efficient engine will keep fuel economy at its best. Also, don't forget about the manufacturer's warranty. Servicing by a franchise dealer and trained technicians using the correct parts and oil are important factors worth considering to keep your warranty valid. When the time comes to sell your car, having a complete manufacturer service history may make a difference to its value by hundreds of pounds. So just to recap, pay for your car servicing with fixed monthly payments. Lock in today's prices for the duration of the service plan. Regular servicing will give you peace of mind and retain your vehicle's future resale value. Sound interesting? If you like the sound of service plan, then ask a member of the team how much your plan would cost. Make servicing easy with Service Plan and save money too.